Google's Notebook LM has just gotten a massive upgrade, packed with incredible new features designed to help you take control and streamline your entire workflow. Imagine effortlessly organizing information from anywhere, visualizing your strategies with intuitive mind maps, and even creating your own AI agents to automate tasks like drafting up an email response and summarizing key insights. And the best part, Notebook LM is still completely free to use. And if you have a Google Workspace account, then the Plus features are also free right now. So if you're not using this tool already, then what are you doing? If you want to save hours every day, then let's dive into the upgraded Notebook LM. All right, so when you get into Notebook LM, you're going to see a screen that looks something like this, your personal library of notebooks. So think of each notebook as a dedicated space for project topics or any area of your business. To get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on Create New right here. Now, clicking on Create New is going to bring you to this next window where it says Add Sources. So this is where you're going to begin to build your knowledge base for your notebook. Now, in the past, using this tool meant that you had to manually hunt down all the articles, websites, and documents that you wanted to use. And while there's situations for sure where it does make sense to manually add your own sources, it can take a lot of time and effort. But that's where this new incredible upgrade to Notebook LM comes in. See this option right here where it says Discover Sources? This is a total game changer. Instead of spending hours searching yourself for the information, you can now simply tell Notebook LM the type of information that you're searching for. So you just type in your topic or your keywords, and then you click on the Discover Sources button. And then Notebook LM will automatically go out and find a list of relevant and, most importantly, credible sources for you. It's designed to prioritize the most authoritative information available, saving you tons of time and making sure that you are working with reliable data. So let's see it in action. All right, for example, let's search for common pain points of small businesses using CRM softwares. Do you see how Notebook LM is finding articles and forum discussions where small business owners are talking about the challenges that they face with CRM softwares? This kind of insight is invaluable for crafting compelling website copy that addresses their specific need. And if you're exploring new product ideas or you're looking to better understand market trends, you could also use Discover Sources for that too. Let's try searching for emerging trends in AI-powered marketing tools for 2025. And just like that, we have a wealth of information on the latest advancements in AI marketing. This can help you identify potential opportunities for your business or stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving industry. So once I click on Discover Sources, you can see that all the sources have been added to that section. And we could also add additional files here as well as sources like Google Drive files, YouTube videos, text, and even audio. All right, so we've just seen how easy it is to gather a wealth of information with the Discover Sources feature of Notebook LM. But what happens when you have all that information? How do you make sense of it all? How do you see the connection between different ideas and turn that raw information into actionable strategies? Well, that's where the brilliant mind map feature comes into play. With just the click of a button located right here, Notebook LM can take the sources that you've imported and automatically generate a visual mind map. Think of it as turning your text-heavy research into a dynamic and easy-to-understand diagram. Wow, look at that. In seconds, Notebook LM has created a structured mind map from our research on emerging AI marketing trends. We can see the main overarching themes right here, like AI applications, key trends, implementation and strategy, and then all the related subtopics branching out from that. This is so much more intuitive than just scrolling through articles, right? You can easily click on these main topics to expand and explore the subpoints in even more detail. This makes it so much easier to grasp really complicated information and see the relationships between different ideas. Now, if there's any of the subtopics within the mind map that you want to get a little bit more information on, if you click on it, then it's actually going to generate a summary of that in the chat actually. So let's say we want to know a little bit more about generative AI growth. We click on that and then here we go. It says discuss what these sources say about generative AI growth, and it's going to prepare a nice summary on that for us. Now imagine you're an e-commerce business looking to launch a brand new line of sustainable pet toys. You could use the Discover Sources feature to research your top competitors in the online pet toy market. You could then create a mind map to visually compare their product offerings, pricing strategies, their shipping options, how they engage on social media, what customers are saying about them, and even their focus on sustainability. The visual comparison will help you spot their strengths and weaknesses and figure out what opportunities exist for your e-commerce business to truly stand out. Or you can quickly jot down your initial ideas as sources or notes, maybe different types of toys, your ideal customer, eco-conscious pet owners, potentially marketing platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and different pricing tiers. And then you can generate a mind map to visually organize your entire launch strategy, identify key components, see how everything all fits together, from the initial product concept all the way to your post-launch marketing efforts. All right, so we've seen how Notebook LM can help you organize and gather information. But what if you could take it a step further and actually have it work for you? If you're like most business owners and professionals, then you probably have a ton of repetitive tasks and questions that eat up valuable time. Well, get ready to meet your new AI assistant because Notebook LM allows us to create custom agents right in the chat that can help us automate those very tasks. All right, here in the chat section, you have the power to actually customize how Notebook LM responds. So you can essentially define a persona or set of instructions for AI, turning it into your own specialized agent for specific purposes. Let me show you a fantastic example, an AI email assistant to handle common customer inquiries. Okay, so when you go into the chat configuration, you're gonna find a bunch of options to adjust things like the AI's conversation style, but we're gonna go into the custom settings here to really define our agent. So in this field, you can actually give Notebook LM detailed instructions on how you want it to act. So let's say we have a company called Fit Pro Wellness, and we sell fitness apparel, supplements, fitness classes, things like that. For our AI email assistant, we might type something like this. You are a friendly and helpful customer support specialist for Fit Pro Wellness. Your goal is to answer customer questions accurately and professionally and to draft email responses based on the information provided in the sources within this notebook. Please format your response as a concise email, starting with a polite greeting, etc., etc. If you can't find the answer in the sources, please state that you're not able to answer the question and direct the user to our main support contact information. See how specific we're being? We're telling Notebook LM who it is, what its goal is, and even the format that we're supposed to be getting the information, which is in an email format. We're also instructing it on what to do if it doesn't know the answer, which is crucial for managing expectations. All right, so now we're going to upload the source documents. So this is the information that AI is going to pull from. And I'm going to upload our company policies as the first source, and then I'll upload some FAQs as the second source. So now that we've defined our AI email assistant, let's put it to work. Imagine a customer sends in common questions like, "Hi, I ordered some workout leggings last week and I was wondering how long they usually take to arrive. And also, if they don't fit, what's your return policy?" So we're just going to paste that customer email right into the chat and ask our AI agent to draft our response. And let's see what it comes up with. And there you go. Dear customer, thank you for reaching out. We're happy to help you with your questions about your leggings order regarding your shipping time, etc., etc. We hope this is helpful. Very polite, exactly in the tone that we were looking for. And it did this in seconds, a polite and helpful email response to the question that it was given. And this was all based on the information that it had in the notebook to pull the information from the sources that we actually uploaded. What a huge time saver for those repetitive inquiries. And you can create AI agents for all kinds of tasks. Maybe one for summarizing meeting notes, another for brainstorming content ideas, or even one to help you research your competitors. The possibilities are truly endless. Sometimes you just don't have the time to sit down and read through everything. Well, Notebook LM has a brilliant solution to that. It can actually turn your sources and your notes into an interactive, customizable podcast episode. Now, if you've watched any other Notebook LM videos previously and you knew about this feature already, well, there's a new added feature with this new update. You can actually interrupt the podcast and start to ask questions in the middle of the episode. But here's where it gets really powerful. You can actually customize the focus of the audio overview. So to see how this works in action, let's go back to the notebook where we had information on sustainable pet toys. Some of our sources in that notebook are competitor research information. So this is a perfect way to show you how this works. I'm going to type in, summarize the key marketing strategies of our top 3 competitors based on the research in this notebook. Now, just a quick heads up that this podcast takes a few minutes to generate, but it's well worth it. All right, I'm just going to play a quick snippet of it just so that you can hear what it sounds like.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really digging into how the top players in the pet product market are running their marketing.
Yeah.
You've pulled together some great research for us.
And just like that, Notebook LM was able to put together an audio overview that specifically focused on the marketing strategies of the competitors based on the sources that we provided. But wait, there's more. This is a new upgraded feature of Notebook LM. Now the podcast is actually interactive. So while you're listening, you can actually interrupt it and ask. So to interrupt the podcast episode and to ask your question, what you're going to do is click on interactive mode where it says beta. And then when you click on that, you're going to click on the play button at the bottom left. And then you're going to actually click join. And when you click join, then it's going to actually allow you to ask your question. And then you just speak. So I'm going to just play a quick snippet of me asking the question and then AI's response to it very quickly. Yeah, can you tell me more about the competitors' pricing strategies, like the top competitors in this space?
Absolutely. That Qualtrics article we looked at really breaks down how companies approach this.
Okay, let's unpack this more specifically for the pet industry then.
What's fascinating is that it's not just about undercutting everyone else. It really helps a company understand its position.
So there you go. That's how the feature works. Isn't that amazing? This interactive element turns this audio overview into a dynamic learning experience as opposed to just passively listening to a podcast episode. Now, just a quick tip that if you actually wanted to regenerate your audio overview because maybe you've added more sources or you wanted to focus on a specific different area, then you're actually going to have to go to the audio overview, click the three dots, and actually delete the podcast. And then you'll click on the audio overview button to generate a new audio overview again. You can also change the speed of the audio if you wanted to listen to it a little bit faster or a little bit slower. I like to listen to it sometimes at 1.5 times the speed, but it's nice to have the option for sure. Now let's quickly just go over the notes section. This is where everything that you've generated in this notebook is going to go. So you'll see we have our mind maps here. And up here, you can actually click on the plus add note button. If let's say you wanted to add some next steps for yourself after gathering the research that you gathered, things like that. And then the briefing doc over here will create a really nice summary of all your sources, which is super helpful. So if you click on that button, that's what that's going to do. And then the FAQs could also be really helpful if you're trying to get a really good understanding of the research that you've done and you want to know, the key pieces of information to better understand. It gives you the key questions and it gives you the answers as well. Another use case that could be really awesome for the FAQs is if you're trying to put together FAQs for your website, you could actually use this function to do that. So you'd upload your relevant sources of information you wanted to pull it from, and then it would actually help you generate an FAQs section with the responses there. Now, if you're already leveraging the power of Google Workspace for your business, then you'll already have access to the Plus version of Notebook LM for free, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So what does this mean for you and your team? Well, Notebook LM Plus offers some enhancements designed to supercharge your collaboration efforts. First, you get dramatically increased limits on the number of notebooks you create and the number of sources that you can actually upload to each one. This means that you can build massive, comprehensive knowledge bases without having to worry about those free tier limits. But the real magic happens with the team collaboration. Notebook LM Plus allows you to customize how you share your notebook with your team. You can give others access to the entire notebook, including sources and notes, or you can give them access to the chat only section of it. This means that you can work together with your team on research projects, build shared knowledge repositories for your company, and collaborate seamlessly on strategic planning, all within the same powerful AI-driven environment. Imagine you created a notebook specifically for new employees with all of the onboarding materials, training materials, and company policies right in there. You could share the notebook with your team and they could use the chat function and ask the chat their question, and they would have an answer back based on the information that you provided in the sources. And you could always continue to add new information to the same notebook on an ongoing basis. I'm going to quickly show you how you'd share your notebook with your team. It's super straightforward. Once you're inside the notebook that you want to share, look for the share button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. When you click the share button, then it's going to bring up another box. And here you're going to start typing in the email address of the person that you want to share the notebook with. Just below that, it's going to show the people with access to the notebook right there. And you can add multiple email addresses if you want to share with several team members. Once you've added all the team members that you want to share with, then you just simply click the save button at the bottom of the sharing box. And that's it. The notebook is now shared with your team and they can access it with their own Notebook LM accounts and they can now collaborate with you. All right, so you're well on your way to becoming a Notebook LM master, but I want to share a few tips with you that'll really help you leverage this tool for maximum professional impact. So tip number 1 is to organize your notebook strategically. So instead of just having one giant notebook with a whole bunch of stuff, have one notebook for a specific client, a specific project, or a specific area of your business. This is going to keep your information organized and make it so much easier to find what you need quickly. Tip number 2 is to master the art of the discover sources. So instead of just saying, something very generic, be very specific with what it is that you're looking for in terms of information. And that's going to allow the AI to give you the best possible sources of information that you can then add to your sources within your notebook. Tip number 3 is to fine tune your AI agent instructions. So the clearer you are with what you want that AI to do, what role it's supposed to be playing, the format of the information that you want it in, whether it's an email, whether it's bullet points, whatever it is, the clearer you are, the better. The more guidance you give, the better it's going to perform for you. And tip number 4 is to get the most out of the audio overview. This is an awesome feature. So don't just generate a generic audio overview, but try to actually give it customized instructions to focus on a specific area, especially if you're short on time. And then also ask follow-up questions, interrupt the podcast, ask your question so that you can dig deeper on the areas that matter the most to you. All right, so you've seen how powerful and versatile Notebook LM can be for boosting your productivity. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What feature are you most excited to try? If you're excited about leveraging AI to work smarter and not harder, and you want to stay up to date with the latest AI tools, then watch this next video to learn more about Google Gemini's game-changing 2.5 model upgrade.